Welcome back!
Welcome back!
Nice to see you!
Welcome back, Bears! Yay!
Nice to see you. Good morning!
Raise your hand if you hear a noise that you're going to identify.
This is like the first time I've heard banter from my students in 7 months, and I just basked in it. It was amazing.
I am so excited. I can hardly contain myself. This and this are both kinds of lichens. They can identify things, and then we can take them back and we use the microscopes, and they can discover this whole other world that they couldn't at home just using handheld magnifying glasses. It just really is going to open up their world tremendously.
This campus has a pretty long track record of using just about every inch of this campus and still not feeling crowded. And we've taken that to the next level with learning.
You're gonna stay 6 feet apart.
You kind of feel like a choo-choo train, like on a little people play set. You only have certain areas you can go and you can't go. You gotta wait your turn. It's kind of like being in kindergarten again, but it's not a bad thing because everyone's buying into it. And we're buying in soon, we're buying in quickly because this is what we have to do.
I think the best thing has been watching and actually hearing how much fun they're having and how happy they are to be back.